Hey there, Ron Watson, Positive Vibe, host of This Dogger Weekly. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some flat work, some of the stuff we've been working with Epic and Loot with Obi, who is not a border collie. I think a lot of people tend to think that flat work and stuff like that really only pertains to border collies. It's completely not true. All dogs, especially dogs like Obi that are not border collies, need to have these skills put upon them. So check it out. Makai, get out. Good man. Here he comes coming across. Ouse. Yes. Catch. Good man. Ouse. Yes. Mauka. Whoops. Mauka, get out. What? Ouse. Yes, let's go. Catch. Yes, good man, Ob. Come on, handsome. Ouse. Yes, you can see how good he drops on the clockwise flank. Ouse. Yes, good. Good man. Ouse. Yes. Catch. Yes, good man. Ouse. Yes, Mauka, get out. Yes, good man. Ouse. Yes, Makai, get out. Yes, good man. Ouse. Yes, Mauka, get out. Yes, good man. Come on, Ob. Ouse. Ouse, Makai, get out. Yes, good man. Come on, handsome, let's go, go, go. Ouse. Yes. Good work, Ob. Come on, handsome, let's go, go, go. Ouse. Here. Good catch. Good man. Makai, get out. Yes, good man. Come on, handsome, let's go, go, go. Ouse. Yes. Yes, good man, Ob. Come on, handsome, let's go, go, go. Ouse. Yes. Obi, come on, handsome, let's go, go, go. Ouse. Yes. Yes, good man.